We are here at the cruise. This is my favorite watch. Oh my God, I don't have it. Lifestyle here. Have some more stores here. Hey, this looks like a very good restaurant. Okay. Let me see what they got over here. Kind of food they have. With pizza, we are not doing pizza in the morning. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. And it's time for breakfast or brunch, whatever you call it. Let me check out where we are. Wow. Yeah, this is different. This is a life I have never seen before. See, where I used to read all the Bible, Jonah was swallowed by the big whale. I guess this is where it is. So where Jesus used to go with the ship like this, right? Okay, this is deep sea. Anyway, yeah, this is where we are today. We are in the Royal Quantum cruise ship.
That's pizza all day.
Yeah, that's pizza.
Pizza all day.
No pizza for us. We're trying to lose weight here. The gypsy. Oh, nice work of art. It's looking nice. You wanna go out? Let's see the. We can upgrade.
Your room.
Yeah.
This is the cheapest room. This room might not be as good.
Have we docked anywhere? Okay.
We just want to get on the road and just walk around.
Yeah, I'm going upstairs today. I'm going to brunch 8:30 to 12:30. So we're here. It's 11 a.m. in the morning. So we're gonna have brunch and see how it goes. First time for everything. It seems like a good restaurant. It's called the American Icon Grill. Yeah, some light, some
Copy.
no way out there. Yeah. I would like to stay on the wall, but nothing on the outside. Huh?
Video for is not available. I got that.
Not available. It's nothing
nice,
available. That's okay.
Thank
At least we can see from here. So,
some light.
anyway, thank you.
Enjoy your breakfast.
All right. Let's see what they got. So nice breakfast, brunch time. And we have. See, this is deep sea. Ito may ka.
Ay, something to drink